Welcome to Level Up with May's Arabic Course Lesson 2. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to recognize, read, and write the 6 Arabic finishing letters, and you will become familiar with the course's learning methodology. As we mentioned in the first lesson, Arabic letters are usually written in a cursive form, joining together. However, there are exceptions to this rule. Some letters never join from the left side. These can connect to the right, but never to the left. Unlike the other 22 letters, they do not change shape at the beginning, middle, or end of a word. Kindly note that the letters in this course are not presented in alphabetical order. Also, this course focuses on the sound of the letters rather than their names. Our first letter is alif. Now, as I told you, we are not interested in the name of the letter. We are more interested in the sound it produces. That sound is a long ah, like in the word bread. The letter a has the same shape at the beginning, middle, and end of a word. It never joins to the left side, and it resembles a line, a stick, or number 1. Here are some examples showing how the letter a is used within words. The next letter is called daal in the Arabic alphabet, but again, we're not interested in the name. We're more interested in the sound it produces, and it's a d sound, like in the word dad. It resembles the lower tip of a triangle or the side profile of a nose. The letter can be written as a straight or curved line. Observe these examples demonstrating the use of the letter d. Our next letter is thaal. The sound produced by this letter is th. The tip of the tongue should touch the inner part of the upper teeth, like in the word this. So it looks exactly like a daal, but we change the sound with a dot on top. Here are some examples that show the letter daal in words. Ra. It sounds like the r in road, and its shape resembles a half moon or an arc. It connects on the right side, but never on the left, and it never changes shape. Here are some examples of words that contain the letter ra. You can see how it maintains its shape regardless of its position in a word. The next letter is zayn or zay. It sounds like the z in zoo. It is similar to ra in its shape, but it has a dot on top, which changes its sound. Here are some examples of the letter zayn used in various words. The last letter we will focus on in today's lesson is waaw. The sound produced by this letter is an oo by default. Another sound is a w, only if the letter is at the start of a word. So, by default, it's like in the word boot. At the start of the word, it's like in the word wax. The letter resembles a half moon or an arc closed from the top with a small circle. Start with the small circle, then draw the arc. Here are some examples of the letter displayed in red within various words. To summarize, the 6 finishing letters connect on their right side but never on their left. They also maintain the same shape regardless of their position within a word. The letter waaw is the only one here with 2 different pronunciations based on its position in a word and some other details that I will cover later. This table offers a quick reference for each letter, including its English equivalent pronunciation and shape. Grab the free Lesson 2 worksheet at LevelUPwithmay.com. For more detailed guidance, you can watch the videos on my YouTube channel at LevelUpwithMay, where I demonstrate how to write and join these letters to form words. I am bringing my 20 years of experience online in language acquisition and theory of knowledge so that you level up your skills. Thank you for watching.